Ukiwa na hii device, hakuna penye unaweza trick hiyo M-Pesa. Lazima mtu alipe. Kwa hizo systems, because the cash is there, majamaa wana trick hiyo system. They have learned how to open it with throws na vitu kaa hizo. Mwenyewe akifika jioni, anapata hakuna pesa. For us, we are not doing hardware sales. This is a hardware as a service business.
Last month, we were able to collect 3.6 million shillings for our customers. They were able to withdraw 2.8.
The day we launched the first one, watu walikataa kucheza ile ya kawaida, wakakuwa wanataka kucheza hii ya M-Pesa. Naitwa Peter Mbari. I'm an electrical engineer. The business is called Pooltrex Systems Limited. We do pool table automations. We're about to transfer the first device to a live. The idea of the business was hatched at ZTech University when I went there to give a talk on technology and IoT. And one of the attendants had an idea of automating pool tables. He had been trying to do the pool table automation for a few years, but he had failed, and he knew that if we partnered, then we would make this possible. So that's how it started in March last year. In September, we had a device ready, and so when we saw that it's possible, we incorporated PoolTrex Systems Limited. So far, we've installed 300 of them. Tulipoanza March last year, we did not have our own devices. So tulitumia devices Blink Electrics. Our first 40 devices were launched on this one. The day we launched the first one, it was very interesting because a very short time after, watu walikataa kucheza ile ya kawaida, wakakuwa wanataka kucheza hii ya M-Pesa. When we started, the cost was very high. It was around 22,000 per device, and that was too expensive for our customers. So the cost factor was very important. Our people are not, that moneyed, and the pool tables they are managing, they charge 20 bob per game. So it was necessary for us to invent a simpler, more affordable device. With this one now, our cost has come down. You see, our target is to be able to match the cost we are selling the device. We have been selling these devices at a loss just to, get people on board. But now we have been engineering in the background to reduce this cost as far as possible towards 5,000, the same cost that we are selling the device, so that our customers now can be able to acquire this device for the same amount that they pay for the coin machine. So here, this is usually the mechanical system that we are replacing with the electronic device. So this is where you put the coin and then you push, and then that pushes the lever so that the balls can drop. But now we've replaced that with the electronic device that you are seeing here. So you can see the game's light is red and the network light is green, meaning the device is ready to receive payment. So I'm going to go ahead and lipa na M-Pesa. So we are paying 90 shillings to PoolTrex Systems Limited. The amount has been accepted, and now we receive 3 games on this device. There we go. To be able to play, the customer has just to press this button once, like that.
When we started, we had a model here. We are leasing the device at 22,000. We are retaining a revenue share of 5%. So that came to change. Now we are leasing the device at 5,000 shillings, and now a revenue share of 10%. So zile za kwanza bado zinawaka na that 5, na hizi mpya now at 10. Last month, we were able to collect 3.6 million shillings for our customers. They were able to withdraw 2.8, and then our revenue was 350,000. But in the revenue too, bado hujatoa the running cost, the maintenance, all that. Yeah, hapo bado kuna profit. And then device sales we did 186,000, and then hizo 2 numbers zingine.
Now PoolTrex ndio hiyo, tushaweka device, tushaweka sticker. Sasa watakuwa nalipa kwa urahisi, kwa kuscan ama kwa paybill na hiyo account. The number one benefit ya hii device ni ati imeseal cash leakage. Unapata ni cash business kabisa. You have to operate with 20 bob coins or 10 bob coins. Unapata kwa hizo systems, because the cash is there, majamaa wana trick your system. They have learned how to open it with throws na vitu kaa hizo. So unapata wametega machine, wamecheza the whole day, mwenyewe akifika jioni anapata hakuna pesa. So unapata there is a lot of leakage with these cash operations, na inakuwa sasa hiyo ndio the biggest loss.
Akatoa hizo, unaona hata box ya coin hata amebeba.
Ala. Because those people, they are stealing from you, and then from the money they have collected for you, you pay them still. So it means you have a double loss, and they are taking more than half of your income. So you find that becomes a very big continuous loss on the business. And so if you can secure your business for a small share of the revenue, because for us we are not doing hardware sales, this is a hardware as a service business, where we are leasing this hardware for cheap to our customers. We collect the money for them, and then we share with them the revenue that is collected by these devices. For us now, we usually work with the existing infrastructure. Here we have a tray ball. This is one of the best kind of tray balls. These ones ensure that people cannot trick them, even with a cue stick. This one did not come with the coin machine because they already knew they wanted the pool table to run on M-Pesa. And so we're just doing a small modification to install the electromechanical actuator. The pool table can now be operated via M-Pesa. The biggest challenge actually right now is that because the business model is such that we are making small amounts every day, we have income long term. But right now, the money to produce the devices and finance the installations is very short. But that has actually been the hardest thing, getting investors. That's our biggest challenge. This pool table is unique in itself. You find that it belongs to a certain customer and it has its own individual price. The owner might say, my pool table, I want to charge 50, I want to charge 30, all that. So all those characteristics of that system after installation, they are calibrated on the platform. So once they are input on the platform, the device gets those ones directly. So that's the way it is. Systems zinakupelekaje?
Systems ziko fiti. Siku hizi mambo iko tu ina flow fit. PoolTrex pia imetusaidia siku hizi in a way that we don't lose our customers. Juu unajua kitambo, msee alikuwa anakuja, anasema atalipa lakini alipi. So by the end of the day unapata amekosa kulipa alafu anapotea. So siku hizi akiwa na deni customer to customer, ataongea, lakini sasa si kama kampuni, mambo inasonga fiti.
Ukiwa na hii device, hakuna penye unaweza trick hiyo M-Pesa. Lazima mtu alipe. Tumewekea jamaa moja pale Kabete. Alikuwa anaibiwa. Alikuwa anaokota a half of what he made with PoolTrex. When he installed PoolTrex, alimake 60K per pool house per month. 20 per pool table per month, 2 pool halls, 60, 120. He tripled his income.